My name is William Merritt, and I'm going to be talking about seed structure differences and germination trials between Seymeria cassioides and Seymeria pectinata. So the Seymeria genus is a root hemiparasite that grows down here in South Georgia. They have a lot of similarities, but there are two key differences that can affect the hybridization between the two. That is the seed characteristics, so one seed is much larger than the other, and the other difference is that they flower at similar times. There's just an overlappage of about a month period between the two flowering times, which causes the chance for a hybridization. So what we did is we took the pollen from Seymeria pectinata and had a live plant species of Seymeria cassioides, and we artificially pollinated Seymeria cassioides with the Seymeria pectinata pollen, and we waited for them to produce seeds for about 3 months. So when they finally produced seeds, as you can see here, we were able to get similar. This is Seymeria cassioides, Seymeria pectinata, and the putative hybrid that we were able to produce. And as you can see, physically, the two Seymeria cassioides and the hybrid look very similar. So we can see the physical aspects of the similarities, but we wanted to make sure that there was a true similarity between them. So we performed a Kruskal-Wallis test to assure that the seed length and width were similar to the hybrid and cassioides, and that pectinata was different. And that's what you can see on this graph here.
I'm one of the judges. I'm trying to
So once we got these results, we wanted to try a germination trial between the two to see if the hybrid germinates better or worse, or not at all, from the parent plants. So we took, like I said, it's a root hemiparasite. So we found them a host by getting pine yearlings and placing them on a tray. We got about 72 pine yearlings and spread the seeds on 24, since we have 3 species, 24 different pine yearlings, and see if they would germinate. And luckily, and we managed them over a 25-day period. We still manage them today, but over a 25-day period, it was a telltale sign that the putative hybrid was able to germinate a lot more than their parent species. So that was our conclusion, was that the hybrid was similar to Seymeria cassioides, the live parent plant that we germinated or pollinated, and that the hybridization was able to germinate a lot better than its parents. So for future research, we're going to look at the genetic study makeup and see if it is a true hybrid between them once they grow above a cotyledon stage. And we will also try this experiment again, but swapping it up by getting Seymeria cassioides pollen and pollinating Seymeria pectinata plant. Thank you.